being the time that it is, and all this, I've been doing this work since I was 16. I'm 60 years old. I've been doing some social justice work since I was, of some level, since I was 16. And being very consistent about it and committed. One thing is, nothing comes overnight. It's a constant engagement, participatory thing. It just comes parts of your daily routine, like getting up in the morning, brush your teeth, wash your face, keeping a roof over your head. That's what I would say as a woman, that's very important as a human being. That's very important in doing this work, that you have to be consistent. And you also got to like it and have fun. And at this stage of my life, I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I'm having a lot of fun with it. Ask the question. Don't be afraid to ask the question. Ask the question based on you, that you know that's a need. Ask the question. Never fear to ask the question. Because if you start asking the questions, it builds up the self-esteem. Because you're not in the dark anymore, and you learn the best way, you learn language and the best way of communication. So you ask the question.